right, everybody, we're going to finish this part. Last we left off, we finished this part of this step. We still need to do all of this surround and whatever all this is. So that's where we left off. I left you with my door drawing with some tape. So let me take the tape off my door. So we don't need that anymore. Dried fairly well. Okay. Got a little bit of glue right there. Let's take that glue off. Okay, the door is done. The steps are done. Those can go over here. This is the piece that we were working on. Sort of a credenza. Okay, so now I'm going to need part E1, which is this big arch thing. Oh, still didn't get all the tabs cut. There's one right there. Aha, I heard it crack. There we go. And I'm going to deal with the little tabbies. If you didn't care about the little tabbies, this would take a little less time, but I do care. I want to make sure that I don't see all these bits where the tabs were. So I'm just making sure that all that is good. Oh, right in here, inside the arch. Okay. And then, what are the other pieces that I need? G something. G11. G 3, 4, 5, and 12. So G11 is this one. G12 is this one. G5 is that one. G4 is this one. And did I cut out these little guys? I don't think I did. I don't remember cutting the tabs on this one. For the little, like little Russian nesting dolls. There we go. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to glue the lamp just dangling down from here. There's no hole or anything. How's that gonna stay? That's not gonna stay. That's weird. Do you glue it from the back? All right, I gotta look up close. It says it goes in there. Okay, it has a little tab, like a tab piece. doesn't go in there. Was there supposed to be a tab cut in this? Looks like it should be. Maybe I'll cut a little tab out of that. I'm going to cut myself a little place for that to go, because that feels like it should go into a tab. Since this is just thin like balsa wood, it's very easy to carve. We're going to carve ourselves a little tab. In the back here. I don't understand this step. You see what I'm doing here? Just cutting myself a little indent right there. I just feel like it needs some support. Can't just glue it. That looks better. Okay. I'm going to stick the glue in this hole that I carved. I'm going to put some inking in this hole so that you don't really see it. And then I'm going to put some glue in that hole. I didn't clear my glue or dump it right side up. Here, I'm going to, where's my pin? Let's clear the glue from the nozzle. Okay. Come on. Okay, drop a glue. I'm going to do it like that. And then I'm going to put a piece of blue tape to kind of hold it all together until it dries. Like that. Looks good. Okay, we're just going to let that dry like that for a little bit while I work on the next step. The next step is I glue these guys together. Actually, technically the next step is to connect this thing to this thing. This piece to this piece. But I'm going to wait on that. I'm going to do this thing that goes on the top first. So it says to glue this one to this one with it aligned on this side. In the back corner, like that. Okay. Seems like gonna be another job for a piece of blue tape. Alignment in this back corner. Put a piece of blue tape to hold those aligned for a minute while the glue sets. Luckily, although it cures in 2 hours, it sets fairly quickly. Okay, and then what are we putting in there? We're putting this in there. I see that lovin'. So then I need to put some glue down inside there and a little drip in that hole. Those are cute. Don't glue my tape in there. Okay. That's good. This, I think, is holding well. So this goes here somehow. Goes in there. So I need some glue inside my tabs. Okay. Slots right in, like a glove. Okay, perfect. I'm assuming this little tabby is going to go in something at some point. Got a little bit of glue hanging out here I need to get rid of. Okay, can we take this little glue off? That is still not holding well. I don't really trust that one. I'm going to put some PVA over that one. I don't really trust if I can get some PVA out of the PVA glue bottle. It always clogs itself up. Of course not. Can I get anything out of this bottle? We're just going to use the pin as a glue dispensing tool. We're just going to glue that right over the top, just like that, with a generous dollop of PVA. And while that's doing its thing, we will glue this piece to this piece, also aligning it where it goes. That is just awkward. Okay. This one might need some sort of place to stand it up while it dries. Glue across the top. Oh, you can't see a ding, 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 ding thing. There you go. I put some glue across the top. And I'm going to align this where it says I am to align it. Align it there. Put the piece of tape back on, I think. So align them. Maybe not. The alignment needs to stay like that. I think I need to just find some place to stand this. Let's hold it up like that. Oh, that'll work. Haha! I put a little clip on it. Give it a stand. So it will stand on its own while all of this dries. I'm just going to leave it alone. It's got a blob of glue in the back right there for the lamp. And we have aligned this top piece and everything is looking pretty good. And I'm just going to stand that there and let it dry overnight because I think I'm done for the day. All right, so you guys have a blessed day. This is finish step 10. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And yeah, let's give you a thumbnail like that. That will work. Finishing step 10. See ya.